Two 20-inch diameter, 4-inch wide pneumatic tires, a 7-speed transmission, a large capacity lithium battery, and a cleverly hidden controller. Affected by COVID-19, more and more people pay more attention to health. E-bike is a good choice. This is why e-bikes have become more popular in the past 2 years. In fact, it is not easy to produce a high quality e-bikes. So a high quality e-bikes is more like a super robot that performs operations instead of people. So, what kind of e-bike can be defined as a high quality e-bike? Freego will tell you the real answer. Yep, the brain of a super robot lies in the controller. Therefore, these brains need to be carefully coded, designed, and tested to ensure that the brain can efficiently provide people's instructions for various parts. And also, it can provide demand for people who pursue different speeds. As the saying goes, a good horse deserves a good saddle. To build a high-quality e-bike, a solid frame is required. The manufacturing process of the frame includes the selection of appropriate metal, cutting, extrusion, welding, and other processes. All these require experienced workers to better shape it by feeling its temperature. Since machines cannot be fully produced, these are almost all produced step by step by hard-working workers. After welding, at least 8 processes, such as grinding, spot welding, and polishing, are required to complete the assembly. After the frame is painted, it will be sent to the Freego Professional Assembly Department. Here, you will see how professional accessories are assembled into a high-quality e-bike. As a company with 13 years of manufacturing experience, Freego has strict and professional standards for each e-bike. In order to ensure that every consumer can get a comfortable riding experience with e-bike, every e-bike needs to go through more than 20 detection methods, such as tire pressure monitoring, battery life test, riding test, controller detection, etc. Making an e-bike is a time-consuming process, and it is also a concentrated reflection of the level of manual technology. There is no doubt that, for Freego, their attention to detail and manual manufacturing process are experienced. After assembly and testing, Freego will carefully package each high-quality e-bike to prevent damage to the e-bike during transportation. Freego is a 13 years manufacturer who recalibrate traditional industries for modern demand. Their unbroken connection to the past serves as a rich legacy that drives their dedication, effort, and innovation.